Look, you are looking at someone who has experienced rejection, being despised by family members, being rejected by people, also being abandoned by a spouse and a child who was influenced by an evil spirit, just as my husband was, to leave and to be away from me. You are looking at a testimony right now. You are looking at only God could have done that right now. Because I tell you, the things I've been through, I don't know how I made it through. God has placed people in my life to help me to get where I am now. And what I mean by that is that He has set people in place to usher me into the place He wanted me to be. He sent helpers when I was abandoned by my spouse. He sent financial help. He was faithful in the midst of my abandonment. And I come to tell you, whatever it is that you're going through, whatever, if you experience abandonment, rejection, or emotional abuse, gaslighting, questioning your sanity, I just want you to take this to the bank and remember this. If God brought you out of it and He blessed you, He sent people to help you, then that is your sign that you're not crazy. It is not on you. Sometimes we go through hard things in our life and we wonder why people treated us a certain kind of way. We wonder why they gave us such harsh treatment. But I want to encourage you and let you know that God was with you just as He was with me. He saw and He knows the motives of our heart. He knows the intents of the heart. He knew that your motives was pure. He knew that you were trying. That's all that matters. And this is why you're able to stand through your testimony and share it with other people to tell how good God has been to you, because He was faithful in it. God was with you. He brought you from out of it, just like He did me. And I'm here today because of the Lord. He's blessed me. And so. My spouse, he abandoned me and he chose to side. He chose to leave his wife and cling to his mother and father instead of it being the other way around. He chose to pick that side. He didn't do what the Bible says to do, and that was to forsake your mother and father and cling to your wife. Even my son, when he walked out, he was influenced by an evil spirit that was pulling him away from me, the same spirit that was pulling my spouse away from me. But God was faithful in the midst of it all. God's thoughts towards us are of peace and not of harm. I know you're probably like, well, why did I have to go through all of that? That was hard. I lost everything. Just like me, I lost everything. I lost the house. I lost my spouse. I lost my son. He's not here with me. Yes, they're alive, but they've chosen a side. And so I'm raising 2 children alone, single parenting. I am still married, by the way, and I'm not divorced. I'm still married. So I'm hanging in there by the grace of God, and I stand here to tell you about the goodness of the Lord and His faithfulness through it all. God is faithful, and guess what? He promises to restore whatever it is that we went through, whatever that hard thing was that you went through. God promises to restore us if you belong to Him.